am Teacher Myla de la Cruz. Watch, learn, and be happy with this lesson.
Hello! Before we start our lesson, can you please observe your environment? What did you notice? Is your environment noisy or quiet? There are places in our environment that are quiet or sometimes noisy. And did you know that there are also times that are very quiet and very noisy? Usually, in the morning, it is noisy, but quiet at night because it is time to rest. Kids, I will show you the pictures. Then, you will guess if it is create sounds or not. Now, look at the picture and observe it. I know that every one of you has an idea about our topic for today. Very good! Our topic for today is all about sound and silence. Let's start!